Dear team of WVRBC, as I sat down to write this farewell message, my heart is filled with a mix of emotions, gratitude, nostalgia, and a touch of bittersweetness. It's hard to believe that my time here at Philippine Red Cross Iloilo Chapter, Western Visayas Regional Blood Center, is coming to an end. But I live with cherished memories and valuable experiences. From day one, you all welcomed me into this incredible team with open arms. Together, we tackled challenges, celebrated victories, and laughed through the late-night brainstorming sessions. Whether it was that intense project deadline or the impromptu office karaoke, every moment has left an indelible mark on me. I want to express my deepest thanks to each one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your unwavering support, your camaraderie during coffee breaks, and your willingness to collaborate. You've made this journey memorable. I'll carry these connections with me wherever I go. Remember the time we turned a seemingly impossible client request into a success story, or the hilarious office pranks that kept us all on our toes? The incident reports and others, those are the moments that define our team, a blend of professionalism and genuine friendship. As I step into my next adventure, I wish you all continued success, growth, and joy. Keep pushing boundaries, keep inspiring each other, and keep that quirky sense of humor alive. And hey, if you ever need a terrible pun or a friendly chat, you know where to find me. Feel free to stay in touch. I'd love to hear about your triumphs, new projects, and life updates. You can reach me in my email, my contact number, or messenger. Thank you once again for being an amazing group of colleagues. Farewell, but not goodbye. I'll carry the memories of our time together and with me always. Warm regards, your process head of registration and collection, Ryan Lagriada Servas, now signing off.
Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang isang awitin. Parang kailan lang halos ako ay magpalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa inyo, ang aking tiyan at ang bulsa'y nagkalaman. Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko'y kayo ang handugan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Parang kailan lang ang mga awitin ko ay ayaw pakinggan. Dahil sa inyo, narinig ang isip ko at naintindihan. Dahil dito'y ibig ko kayong ituring na matalik kong kaibigan.